Hello beautiful people, Arif Orya here from Orya Driving Academy, and today I'm going to show you one of the challenging parkings, reverse parking or back parking. That will be on the right side and the left side, and we can do this together. Alright, so today the focus is on plaza parking. Plaza parking has two names. People can call it stall parking or plaza parking. Plaza parking is a little bit different. First of all, we need to know the rules for the plaza. So when you're driving in a plaza, please make sure that your speed limit is between 10 to 15 kilometers per hour. Why? Because there will be a lot of shoppers, there will be children all over, there will be seniors, there will be cars pulling in and out. So you gotta be, as a driver, you gotta be very cautious in making sure that you're driving safe and watching for any cars, any shopping cars, any children, any seniors that may be walking around. So that's the most important thing. Another thing about plaza is that in most of the intersections within a plaza, there are no stop signs. So you gotta watch for that. If there's a stop line there, please make sure that you are coming to a stop there. You're making a pause, checking left, right for any vehicles, any pedestrian that may be crossing. So watch for those things as well. That's the first thing, very important. Next, we have 4 plaza parkings. 2 of them are front in and 2 of them are back in or reverse. So now I will be doing the reverse parking for you guys. So reverse parking or back in. So 2 names, back in or reverse parking. Again, overall name is the stall parking or plaza parking, but I will be doing the reverse parking. This is the parking that everybody complains about and nobody is happy about, but it's very easy. Honestly, it's the easiest parking. I personally love reverse parking than front parking. So reverse parking is very easy, very simple. All you have to do is just follow the steps and you will be perfectly in the spot where exactly you want to be. So now for the same thing for reverse parking, we have on the right side and on the left side. So the same thing like what we did the head in or the front parking. So if you're parking on the right side, please make sure that you're staying in the middle of the road. So once you're in the middle of the road, basically what you will have to do is on the spot where you want to park, so you pick a spot or whatever the empty spot is, you pick that spot. You will have to drive forward about 3 spots from where you're parking at. So I'm gonna do, but again, remember, claim your spot. Make sure that you have your signal, check the rear view mirror signal, blind spot to the right, make sure you do all this stuff. And then I'm gonna park in this spot right here. So this would be where I am parking. That would be spot number 1. I'm gonna go to the 3rd spot. I will be driving forward, so spot number 1, and then I have spot number 2, and I will go all the way to spot number 3. So when I go to the spot number 3, the last line of spot number 3, align it with your steering wheel. Please make sure that you're aligning the last line of spot number 3 with your steering wheel. Make sure it is aligned. Once it's aligned, all you have to do is put your car in reverse, and then when you put your car in reverse, you already have the signal to the right. Turn your wheels all the way to the right completely and keep the steering wheel locked. But before moving, please make sure that you are doing a 360 degrees check. It's a plaza. There will be a lot of people walking around, a lot of cars, a lot of shoppers, and please make sure that you're watching, look all around. Nice and slowly start moving towards left and keep on looking. So don't stop looking. So keep on looking, observation before action. Everything you do in driving, please make sure that you're doing a good observation. Keep the steering wheel locked until your car is straight. So once the car is straight, then you stop. So once you stop, now you will have to bring the steering wheel 2 times to the left. So 1, and then fully again 2. So once the steering wheel is straight, that means to say your car is straight now. And then look again behind and keep moving towards left all the way until your side mirror, left side mirror, if there's a car parked there, mirror to mirror is okay. If there's no car, your side left mirror should be aligned with the tip of the lines of the parking spaces that you have. You know, all the parking spaces have lines. Align your side mirror with the tip of those lines, and that's pretty much it. All right, and then you park your car, pull your parking brake. Please make sure you turn off your car and go enjoy your shopping. Don't spend too much, save money, live better. All right, guys, I'm back from shopping. I didn't spend that much money. I will be going out of this parking now. So when you're coming out of the parking, so since our front is facing out, so no problems whatsoever. We're not reversing here. Make sure that you're turning on the car. Put the car in drive, signal to the right. I'm gonna be going right. So depending what side you're going to, so I'm going right. So you put the car in drive, signal to the right, check all around, make sure no shopping cars. That's gonna damage your car. So watch for shopping cars. If there's any close by, make sure you pull them away and nice and slow. But here, when you're coming out, please make sure you're looking both sides, nice and slowly come out, not rushing, because there will be cars coming. And then once your mirror has passed the first pillar of the car or your shoulder, so then you start turning your car towards the right, and then you just go out. That way you're not gonna damage the car on the side. And have a good day. All right, so we did reverse parking or back end parking on the right side, and now we will be doing it on the left side. So the difference between right and left is that when we were parking on the right side in reverse, we stayed in the middle of the road or 2 meters away from the parking space. But now if we're parking on the left side, you have to stay on the right side, far right side, because we will have enough space to park on the left side. So the rest of the things are the same thing. So make sure that the car is obviously in drive, and check your rear view mirror. Make sure that you have the signal on to the left side where you're parking. And when you're parking, please, so I'm gonna be parking in this spot here. So I'm gonna start counting from the parking space where I will be parking my car. So that will be parking space number 1. I'm gonna go again 3 spaces forward. So 1, this will be 2, and this will be number 3. All right, so I'm at the spot number 3. My steering wheel is aligned with the last line of spot number 3. So once the steering wheel is aligned with spot number 3, the first thing you should do is put your car in reverse. The signal is already on because I've already claimed my spot. But before moving, please make sure that you do a good 360 degrees check. Make sure that there are no pedestrian around, no cars, no nothing, and then we are gonna start moving. So I'm gonna start checking all the way, and please make sure you turn your wheels all the way to the left and check 360 degrees, and nice and slowly start moving towards reverse. That's when we're gonna start moving. And while you're moving, also please make sure that you're checking all around for any pedestrian, any cars, any shopping cars, like all that kind of stuff. There's a lot of stuff inside the plaza. Nice and slowly keep going. Keep your steering wheel locked as is until your car is straight. So once the car is straight, then that's when you stop. So once you stop, then you turn your steering wheel 2 times to the right. 1, 2. So this way the car will be straight. So once the car is straight, then you have to reverse. Check again. You have to reverse until, again, the same thing like what we did on the right side. You go reverse until your side mirror is aligned with the tip of the lines. If there's a car parked there, so you can align it with the you can align the mirror to mirror is also okay. If there's no car, so your left side mirror should be aligned with the tip of the parking lines right there. So once you get to that point, park your car, pull your parking brake, make sure you turn off your car, and go shopping. All right, so again, I'm done shopping. I'm back into my car. I start my car. I'm coming home. So please make sure you start your car first, and then you put your car in drive. And once the car is in drive, you signal to the direction you want to go, whether you want to go left or right, depending what direction. So for me, right is a bit closer, so I'm gonna go right again. So I will have the signal on, but before leaving the parking lot, do a good 360 degrees check. Check your rear view mirror, look all around, look for the cars that are parked on this side, on the right side, on the left side. Watch for any cars or any motorcycles, bicycles, any pedestrian, whatever they're coming. So I have my signal on, and I'm gonna keep going straight. Keep going straight until your shoulder passes the side mirror of the car that is parked beside you. So once your shoulder passes the side mirror of the car parked beside you, then you can start turning the car, and I'm gonna go right just like this, and then you can go again until you're inside the plaza. Do not exceed your speed, do not drive more than 10 to 15 kilometers, and you go and have a wonderful day.